Okay, we're approaching the Malabang Tunnel. It's a famous Malabang Tunnel because during the Second World War, you have American troops hiding inside this tunnel. This is, and we're slowly entering the tunnel. Malit lang pala na tunnel, no?
Short lang.
Hindi makapasok dito ng ilang, yun, no? Wow, that's nice. Then, they have stuff over here. Ano itong ginagawa na dito? Ba't ka nakabukas dyan?
Kapehan.
Magkapihan. They have stuff over here. Basta dito. Sige. Laki naman siya eh. Okay. Then, there's an army checkpoint here. Okay. Time check. Anong oras na may?
It's 1:18.
1:18. Probably in an hour or two we'll be crossing what
Parang
used to be yung mga critical areas dyan sa Cotabato provinces. No, but now okay naman daw. I think that's the 4th or 5th checkpoint. Nandiyan natin, no? Sobra pa, no? Since leaving Pagadian. So, ito nga peculiarity ng Mindanao. On the right side, very scenic yung bay, Lanao Bay. Hindi na maintain damo sa ano. Bagay may linya sa gitna, no? So may semblance of being the road is being maintained. So dapat itong mga shoulder kasi is going to be cleared.